So beautiful, guys, after the storm, the peace comes. So these guys are about to go fishing across the little pond. They just caught to each other, but they're trying to get things straight.
Fish on, guys, fish on. Number 9. Fish on, guys. Nice bass. Look at him. Check him out, guys. Fish on, fish on. Fish on, fish on. Ooh, nice looking bass.
It's a smallmouth.
And it's it. On, guys. Nice bass. Another bass. Boom. Live action over there, my brother. I'm gonna close up to you. Bass over there. Brother. Nice. Alright, guys, back at it again. We're out here fishing in a little pond. Me and my cousin Mario. Right there. And let's see what comes out. Now it's like really shallow, but boom, like right now I got one. Oh, nice bass right here. It's really shallow, so you know it's about like about a foot, yeah, about a foot. But you know these fast fishes, when it gets full, like I said, they like to go look for new homes and everything. So nice little bass right here. Worm action, very little lake.